What's up guys, Johnny from TechSpace, and it is a very windy day here at the velodrome. I couldn't wait any longer for the weather to get better because I need to test the new buggy from Rlaarlo, the X12S, the 3S capable buggy that is based on the Rogue One or the Gladiator platform, and just look how beautiful it is. Now, I'm not going to waste your time. I am late to the party. There's a lot of guys that has already unboxed it, done a lot of different things with it, but no one has taken it around a beautiful velodrome like this yet. So what I'm going to do is I've installed speed pinions on all three of these vehicles. So all of them has got their included speed pinions on. Now let's do a quick look around of these vehicles and see exactly what the specs are. These are the batteries that we are going to be testing the cars on today. It's the stock batteries that come with each one of these vehicles. It's a 2200 milliamp hour 3S 35C discharge rate battery. Now after the testing with the stock batteries, I want to see the fastest car between the three is going to get the 4400 milliamp hour 3S 35C discharge rate battery, and I want to see if the higher capacity, double capacity of the 2200 milliamp hour batteries is going to make it any faster. Now, due to the intense wind, we are going to film it a little bit differently. We are going to do speed tests with the POV camera mounted on each one of the vehicles, and then we are going to get a speed. And afterwards, we are going to test it again without the POV camera to see what difference the drag of that camera is making on the vehicle. So this is going to be interesting. Now let me know in the comments down below, which one of these three do you think is going to be the fastest around this track. First up is the Omni Terminator. Let's do it. Got the POV camera installed, and also the GPS is measuring speed. Let's go. We have got a speed of 71.3 kilometers per hour. We are going to test it without the POV camera. Let's see what we can get. It sings. It absolutely loves going around this track. Such a stable vehicle. I've got zero gyro on. Right. One more lap to make it fair. So what do you guys think is going to be the difference between that and when the POV camera is installed? Brake hard. Let's bring it back. So I reckon, let's see. 71.6, so that is not a big difference. Next up is the XTS-F10. Right, so let's see what we can get. As you can see, the GPS is measuring speed. Speed pinion, let's go. So, so just before the crash, we achieved 71 kilometers per hour, which is slightly slower than what the Omni Terminator was. So let's check what the speed is without the camera. See, it is measuring speed. Yes, there we go. Right, so let's see what we can do. There it goes. It is flying. I'm just going to slow it down a little bit around the corner there. Right, bring it back full tilt. That is full speed. It's going to go on its second lap. Here we go. Oh, that's beautiful, guys. Look at it go. Yes. There we go. What do you guys reckon? Is there going to be a big speed increase? Let's brake it. Bring it back. So 68.6 kilometers per hour. So that is slower than it was the previous time around. That's really weird, guys. And now it's time for the new X12S. Let's see what it can do with the speed pinion. Boom. Right, so the POV camera is good and the GPS has been zeroed out. So let's see what we can get. Okay, there we go. Oh, big crash. So 83.5 kilometers per hour is what we got with the camera mounted on the wing. Let's see what we will get without. I'm just going to reset the GPS. So let's see what we can do. Wonder if we're going to reach the 90 kilometers per hour. There it goes. Wow. It is extremely fast. Full tilt around the corner without the camera on it. It's just so stable. Just look at it, guys. Wow. Really interested to see what we're gonna get here. Jeez. Bring it back. Let's brake it. Let's bring it back. It is really lively. Gee. Let's see what we got. So 84 kilometers per hour, so 0.5 kilometers per hour. So let's see what we are going to get, whether we can fit the big battery to this car. Now, I've not been able to put the body onto the car with the bigger 4400 milliamp hour battery installed, so I'm going to run it without the body, but I'm quite curious to see what it is going to do. So the GPS has been zeroed out and it is measuring max, so let's see what we can get. It is quick, it's certainly quick. Bring it around the corner. Oh, it's just going like crazy, guys. Check it out. Can't believe this car controls so well. Alright, bring it back again. That is super fast. bring it back. Let's see what we got. Big difference compared to the other battery. What do you guys think? Okay, so let's see. 88.6 kilometers per hour, so almost reaching that 90 kilometers per hour that they claim on the box. And that concludes the testing of these three Rlaarlo cars, guys, the newer generation of vehicles. They are all excellent in their own way, but how impressive is the new X12S Buggy for reaching almost 90 kilometers per hour that it claims on the box? That's really impressive. I can't believe how well it handles. Even if I had a couple of instances where I put a lot of steering on around here, the track, it didn't actually fall over, which I was so impressed with. Rlaarlo has got a really good vehicle here. I think as a speedrun vehicle, this is going to be a very popular platform, and also for the guys that do like to go do some off-road racing with buggies. If you like this video, please give it a like. And also, if you have not done so yet, you know what to do. I appreciate each one of you watching till the end, and also hitting that subscribe button and also the like. I'm Johnny from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.